donuts. Not these donuts. These donuts. Circular motion. This is the movement of an object along the circumference of a circle or rotation along a circular path. For example, we use a toy car moving around in a circle for 8 seconds. The features of circular motion include circular uniform motion, constantly changing direction, moving tangent to the circle, and velocity vector is direct tangent to the circle. And this is features as it goes around the constant acceleration moving inwards towards the circle, the object itself being m, and the velocity going around the outskirts of the circle. You can see as it's going around as such. So again, we have our vehicle going around in a circle for 8 seconds, and with the formula of a constant velocity of 2 pi r, or radius, over time. And these are the calculations that we had for our car. So our time was 9 seconds, the radius was 101.6 centimeters, and this is how we calculated our constant velocity, doing 2 pi with our radius over 9 being our time, getting a constant velocity of 70.93. And now you know about circular motion.